Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to the Train Expert channel on this Thursday, August 1st, 2024. Got a CSX train coming. Let's check it out. Roll it. I'm gonna stay right here and film. I don't want to film it too close.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want to film it too close.
Yeah, if you come over here.
Where's the shade? Oh, there it is. Thank you.
Yeah.
Should have the number one train of all of CSX coming, the CSX I002. We just heard that on radio, right? Huh? Just heard that on radio. Just heard that on radio. Well, hard salute it is. Going slow right now. Yeah. There's the ad. There you go. I can't wait to hear you saying hear it. Well, here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, assemble on that train. It's the CSX I002. That's the number one train of all of CSX. The top priority train of all of CSX Railroad. The I002, the other direction of the I001. The I002 originates to Chicago, Illinois, heads east to Portsmouth, New Jersey, where it terminates. On this Thursday, August 1st, 2024, from the Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. I wasn't sure they're going to haul this big train with one engine. That's why I just want to make sure. So, all right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with another train. Talk to you later.